Okay, I tested this for quite a while actually, and I think I see what's going on. So when I set up the project, the initial idea of leaving this off works. So I can add an architect, wait 10 minutes, add structural steel or structural metal, wait 10 minutes, add carpet, wait 10 minutes. Nothing happens in the email account. So nobody's receiving the emails, which is good. So the first piece of the puzzle is working. And I think I see the issue with the other one. So when I do trigger this, edit and then trigger and then submit the project, um, everybody who fits this criteria, because actually I'm kind of going backwards here. We kind of built this whole thing as a marketplace. Like everybody gets the bids all the time. But the reality is that that's not going to happen anymore. The only people who are going to get the initial bids sent to my subs, I should put, I think we'll get this, but it's really my favorites or whatever. So for example, the architects, the only people that should receive this are the three architects that are in my favorite group, right? Those are the three that should get it. And then we have structural metal. So the only people that should get that is, actually nobody should get it because I don't have any favorites. And carpet should be one company, Capital Carpets LLC. But what's happening is, and this worked before, but it's not working for us now. All of the people that fit the criteria of architect, 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 I guess you were an architect in the last couple of days, carpets, they're all getting it at one time. So I believe the condition that needs to change, I'm not sure, but it looks like right here, and like I said, for now, let's not even worry about marketplace. I mean, we know what we have to do, but let's, in order to isolate the issue, let's only work on making it work for my subs, and then we'll go to the next step. This says only when the parents group ITB invitation to bid is my subs. Yes, I think that works. We can take out the marketplace right now. And I think the other condition is and includes my favorite subs. So I have to hit the condition yes, and they have to be my favorite subs. If they're not my favorite subs and the condition is yes, they should not get it. The tricky part for me is, you know, we have this condition here. Does that condition then jump over here and here? I'm not really sure. So hopefully that'll clarify things. But yeah, let's not worry about the marketplace right now. And I think if we add that condition in, I can run a bunch of tests tomorrow and then see how that works.